At the end of this video, you should be able to create a professional CV, also known as resume, using Microsoft Office Word. So let's get started. But before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to this channel so as to see various tutorials on Microsoft Office Word. So let's roll. So open Microsoft Office Word and then you go to Insert. So once you go to Insert, click on Shape and then you click on Rectangle 2, and then once you do that, and then draw it to fit the document. So make sure you adjust it very well. Then go to Format and then go to Shape Fill and then click on this particular text, so which is black text light 25%. So once we click on it, now we want to remove the outline. Go to Shape Outline, click on No Outline. So adjust this very well so that it will fit it very well. So once you are done, go back to Insert and then go to Shape and then click on Text Box. So you draw the text box here. So here we want to input the name, so type the desired name. So once you are done, highlight the name by pressing Ctrl A, then go to Home and then change the font type to Frantic, FRA. You will see Franklin Gothic Demi. So click on it and then increase the font size to 18. So centralize it by pressing Ctrl E. So once you are done, then click on this text box, click on Format and then click on Shape Fill and then click on the exact color we used the other time, which is a 25 lighter. So we want to remove the outline. Click on the text box, go to Shape Outline and then click on No Outline. So here Ctrl A, select all the image and then go to Home and then click on Font Color and then click on White. So here is it. So now I want to create the picture. Go to Insert, click on Shape, click on Oval. So once you click on Oval, you draw it to your desired run, but make sure it is like an oval shape. So, and once you are satisfied, click on the oval shape, click on Shape Fill and then go to Picture. Here is where we want to input the picture. Click on Picture. It will take you back to your computer and then look for the picture you want to use. You can actually make use of another picture anytime, any day. So click on Over because we want to remove the outline. Go to Shape Outline and then click on No Outline. So now go back to Insert and then go to Shape, click on Text Box and make this one, you draw it like this. So we want to type contact address. We have contact address. Phone, email and language. Phone, email, language. I'm actually pressing Enter key. So highlight all this and then go to Home, then change the font type, you change it to frantic Gothic, and then increase the font type to 14, then centralize it by pressing Ctrl E. So now we want to input the address, so your desired address. Now look at this contact address here. It's kind of very close to each other, the space is not that much, so highlight these two. So in order to decrease the space, come to line spacing, this is it, click on it and then click on remove space after paragraph. So the space has been removed, and then try to press enter here so that there will be enough room. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel and then go and see much more tutorials on Microsoft Office Word. Let's continue. Now I want to type the address. Now the address we have here, you make sure you use your whole name address. So we have 88 New Express Road, Maryland, Lagos. So let's come to phone number, your input, your desired phone number. It might be 2, it might be 3. Now look at this phone number, try to reduce the line spacing by highlighting the 2 and then click on remove spacing. Now press enter for the email so that there will be space. Now you type your desired email, victor@gmail.com. So actually this is an hyperlink mail. There are some situations whereby this thing can automatically change to hyperlink. Just click on it and then right click and then click on remove hyperlink. So let's move to language. So your desired language, the language you understand. So now we need to do some little editing at this very side, at this very place. Now highlight this at the address here because we want to change the font type. We're not going to use Franklin Gothic for rate. So the font type we're going to use is Times New Roman. Click on Times New Roman, and actually you can make use of your desired font type. It depends on your own taste. So but I don't want to use that, so that's why I'm making use of Times New Roman. So the Gmail, so you highlight it and then change them to Times New Roman. While this language decrease the line spacing as I show you earlier, and then change it to Times New Roman. So once you are satisfied with it, then we need to do another color editing. Now go to format and then go to shape fill and then come to the actual one we actually use. We make use of a 35 before, and then go to shape outline and then click on no outline. So here it is. So this shape fill is actually different, so let's check. So we are using 25. So now we need to change the color. So Control A on the color, and then come to home and then click on white. So here it is. So now let's continue. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel so as you will see numerous Microsoft Office Word tutorial, and also make sure you share it with friends and family. So now come to Insert, click on text box, and then you draw a text box. You fill it here, you increase it to this place also. So turn off the outline, and then we need to type all these summary skills. But before we move on, at this contact there is a bottom border. So how can you do that? Come to contact, put your insertion pointer at this place, then click on home. So at this very place you will see something bottom border. Click on bottom border, and here it is, and then is at language also. So do the same to it also. So here it is. So now let's continue. Now we have summary, skills, experience, education, and certification. So these are what you are going to type. Summary, skills, experience, education, and certification. So once you are done with the typing, Control A on it and change it to frantic gothic, and then you change the font size. You change it to 14 or so, but don't let it be too big. So once you are done, then we need to be putting it there, and also we need to change this color is too kind of very black. So Control A and come to format, and then you come to color here, font color, and then we can actually change this to something not that bold. But if you are certain, if you want to use it, you can also make use of it. So let's stick with this. So at this summary there is these lines here, but before we do that, the summary here, if you see a professional CV, it means what you are capable. You're this I am so I am very versatile in this and that. It's just the little summary, and some CV doesn't have summary, but it depends on what you want to use. Your skills, what you are skillful in, your experience, your education, and your certification. But you are not going to do that. You really want to input it by yourself. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type a code so that it will just generate a text. So here it is. So probably let's say these are the summaries. So here we need to change this to Time News Roman, and then decrease the font to 12. Well, it's still kind of tiny, so let's make it to 13, and then you justify by pressing Ctrl J. So now here in skills, so at this very place you can easily, because you should maintain the fonts that you are actually using, so you can easily copy this or perhaps retype. So I can copy one of a text here and then come here and then paste it and then type this Q. So you can just type Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, so Q5. So actually the skill here is expert in this and that, expert in so leadership, this and that. So I'm just using this for you to for an example. Now you make sure you remove the space by coming to line spacing and then click on remove space. So once you are done, then highlight it again and then right click. You want to make use of bulletin, so come to bullet and then click on any bullet. So let's make use of this. So yeah, it is. So there is a video there are a lot of video that talks about Microsoft Office Word. We treated it one after the other, from how to say from bullet. If you don't know how to make use of Microsoft Office Word, just check out videos on this channel that I've talked about that. So for experience, now for this present so experience, you can easily copy this and then paste it and change this to experience 1, experience 2, experience 3, oh, there is a red. So there is a reason why there is the red zigzag here. It's probably I'm wrong. So there's a video that talk about green and red zigzag on this channel, so just stay tuned and you watch. So once you are satisfied with that, so your education also, so probably the name of your schools where you go, so you put them there. Let's type it as school 1 or school 2, school 2, school 3. So probably any school you go, you put it there, and then we come to certification, your probably professional certificate that you have, so you put it there also. So certificates, 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 so because of time, just want to so once you are satisfied with what you want to do, and then you make sure you put them there very well, and then you adjust it, and then let's see, okay, still remain this line. So come to summary here and then put the insertion pointer at the end here, then go to bottom border, then click on it at this key, so you do it for them. So this is how to make a professional CV, also known as resume in Microsoft Office Word. If you gain something from this channel, please subscribe and also comment, like, and share it with friends and family. So you can print and preview it, and then you can go and print it, and then whenever you want to make use of it, you can use it. It is well readable, it is well presentable. So thank you, expecting you in the next video.